What's up guys, Joey here of Yugatech, and a few months ago Vivo brought their S series here to the Philippines with the S1, which faced tough competition in the mid-range smartphone space. Now we have the S1 Pro. We're checking out this phone today, but first let's take it out of the box. So lifting up the lid, we get a smaller box that contains a clear case, our manuals and general paperwork, and the USB Type-C cable. Below that we have the S1 Pro itself, which we shall set aside for now. Finally, we have the 18-watt charger and a pair of earphones. The S1 Pro has a unique design that distinctly sets it apart from the standard S1. At the back, it gets a rear camera module that's in vogue. It's on the upper center of the back and has 4 lenses. Though unlike what the Vivo Nex, Huawei, and Nokia are doing, this one isn't a circle, it's more of a diamond. This one is in the night black color, which I must say looks amazing with all of the red accents around the phone. Up front, we get a 6.38-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a small water drop notch on top. The bezels on the top and sides are reasonably thin enough, while the chin is slightly thicker. Also, we have an under-display fingerprint scanner on this screen. On the left side, we have a hybrid dual SIM tray, and on the right side, we have the red accented power button and volume rocker. Up top, the headphone jack and secondary microphone, and down at the bottom, the main microphone, Type-C port, and loudspeaker. Overall, the phone is quite thick and hefty, which can be attributed to its large 4,500 mAh battery with support for 18-watt dual-engine fast charging. For internals, we also get a Snapdragon 665 chipset, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage. For cameras, we have a quad rear camera setup that's a 48MP main, 8MP ultra-wide, 2MP depth sensor, and 2MP macro lens. Up front, it's a 32MP selfie shooter. We'll get more into the camera quality in our full review, but for now, check out these sample photos. The Vivo S1 Pro is priced at 15,999 pesos and will be available for purchase by November 30. Now, what do you guys think about the Vivo S1 Pro? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon to help us in future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.